Speaker for SSC Railways. Question number 28 is from CGL Tier 2 examinations conducted by SSC. The subject is English and the solution is at the end of this video. Spotting error. Ignore the error of punctuation. The weather of the new place did not suit Ravi. No error.
Let's explore the word weather. You can refer the hyphenation WEATHER for better pronunciation. Weather. I have taken a definition from Wiktionary. Weather is used as a noun, as an adjective, and also as a verb. Let's check the definitions one after the other. The first definition, as a noun, it means short-term state of the atmosphere at a specific time and place in terms of temperature, relative humidity, cloud cover, precipitation, and wind. As a noun, weather is also used for unpleasant or destructive atmospheric conditions and their effects. Weather is also used as an adjective, for example, the weather side, and weather is also used as a verb, for example, weathering of rocks, the geological phenomena of weathering of rocks. The next slide will make weather more clear for you. I've taken a screenshot from a Google search. The search was the weather of Ayodhya. So the Google result was based on elements like precipitation, humidity, wind. It was also specific to place, to time. So this justifies a definition of weather. The point to note is that the bottom of the figure shows fluctuation in weather conditions or the weather elements on an hourly basis. Moving to the next slide, let's have a look on some literature references. The first reference says that Kansas City, a city which is in the United States of America, the Kansas City weather expected to be quite pleasant and dry for the next week. The weather is expected to be quite pleasant and dry for the next week means the elements like humidity or the precipitation is expected to be low. The second literature reference, how the book industry is weathering the COVID-19 storm. Here, weather is used as a verb. The sentence says that the book industry is fighting back COVID-19's unprecedented odd conditions. The third literature reference, wooden garden furniture must be well oiled as it is continuously exposed to weather. So the third literature reference is actually complementary to the second noun definition, which I have shown you in the previous slide, that weather is used for an unpleasant weather conditions. It says that the furniture should be well oiled as it is being exposed to an unpleasant weather conditions, which is destructive in nature. Let's move to the next slide. Climate. Climate is used both as a noun and as a verb. I have taken a definition from NCERT. It says that climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, a time which is more than 30 years. And the point to note is that the elements of climate is same as weather. The verb definition of climate is obsolete. It was used in the sense to dwell. Now let's go for the literature reference for climate. The first literature reference I have taken from the Washington Post. It says that the climate change is killing the farm belt. With a little help, farmers can fix it. That the climate change, it means that the climate change killing the farm belt, the most fertile belt or the most cultivated areas of a region. The next slide shows the Google result shows that Ayodhya has a humid subtropical climate, typical of central India. Summers are long and dry and hot, lasting from late March to mid-June with an average daily temperature nearly 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The keyword average will give you a better understanding of how climate is different from weather. Climate can be taken as average of weather conditions for more than 30 years or minimum 30 years duration. Now let's explore the answer to the question. The question was spotting error and ignore the errors of punctuation if any. The statement is the weather of the new place did not suit Ravi. Weather conditions of two places can be same. In fact, for any place, the weather changes on an hourly basis, but two distant places will show two different climatic conditions. So climate will be the most appropriate substitute for weather, and hence one is the right answer.
This video will be always here. Come back to watch.